So, Priya, coming to you, Mr. Agarwal talked about how wealth comes from below the ground. But metals and oils are both considered as environmentally harmful industries. How do you respond to criticism on that? I mean, Niyamgiri, Thoothukudi, those, where although the Supreme Court absolved your group, but still there was a lot of reputational damage which it possibly caused. So how did you respond?
So first and foremost,
let me answer this. This is, you have seen one failure. Please open my heart. What you told Tuticorin is the smallest failure. I have hundreds of, that's what I tell to entrepreneur. More failure you have, more success you will get. Has to come. This is the first ladder for your success. No, because it has come into the public domain. Anything you do, it is, Ram भी जब गए थे तो उनको रावण ही मिला था. आप आगे बढ़ेंगे, आपको अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में, अगर आपको बड़ा आदमी बनना है तो आप जन्मे खाना पीना खा के हेल्प करके भगवान का नाम लेकर सो के निकल गए, वो बात अलग है. लेकिन अगर आपको लाइफ में कुछ करना है तो भैया मजा करो, एंजॉय. और जितना घिसोगे, जितना पिटोगे, जितना मरोगे, ऐसी ऐसी बेइज्जती होंगी, उसको जहर बना के घूंट लेके पीना पड़ेगा. हम लोगों के पास कोई बाप दादा की कोई है भी तो उसको भी आगे बढ़ाना है, कुछ नहीं है, और उसमें से आगे बढ़ना है. मैं जब इंग्लैंड गया तो पूछ नहीं रहा था कोई मैं क्या करूं. मैंने कहा एक आइडिया आ गया. मैंने देखा इन लोगों को राजा महाराजा बहुत पसंद है इंडिया के, तो मैंने कार्ड एक बनवा लिया, महाराजा अनिल कुमार. क्या करेंगे, ये हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं, कोई ना कोई रास्ता निकाल लेंगे.
but in actual fact, when you really think about it, or when you really read the facts, everyone's talking about the energy transition. The energy transition can only happen with a focused approach with critical minerals, transition metals. The World Bank has said you need $1.7 trillion of investment in mining for this energy transition to happen. And it's absolutely crucial that we should do as much of this domestically. We've only explored less than 20% of our natural resources. Other countries have explored much, much more and has really, really created wealth through that, what Papa was saying. And beyond that, everything today can be done in a way where you leave the environment better than it was before. Today, Vedanta, Hindustan Zinc, by the S&P Global Index, the World Index, has rated Hindustan Zinc as the #1 most sustainable mining company in the world. And Vedanta, #3 in the world. So having two Indian companies as in the top 5 of the biggest and the most sustainable mining companies in the world is something to be very proud of. And this is something we take very, very seriously. Everything that we do with innovation. And we have also committed to 100% renewable energy over time. We've committed to build before 2050, but 3 of our biggest companies, Hindustan Zinc, Kane, and Zinc International, will be running on 100% renewable energy within the next 7 to 10 years. And this is disrupting the sector. Globally, other industries want to replicate and are trying to understand what Vedanta is doing to be able to do this process in such an amazing, innovative, and sustainable manner. And we have to lead the way because India can.